Welcome to Data Design's YouTube channel. Staying up to date with the latest trends in study chair designs is essential for creating a functional and aesthetically pleasing workspace. Today, there is a growing emphasis on ergonomics with designs that prioritize comfort and support during long study or work sessions. Many chairs now feature adjustable features like lumbar support, adjustable armrests, and headrests to cater to individual needs. In terms of material, sustainable and eco-friendly options are increasingly popular. Chairs made from recycled materials or sustainable wood sources not only contribute to a greener environment but also provide a unique and contemporary design element. Additionally, minimalist and space-saving designs are on the rise, making them ideal for smaller study areas or co-working spaces. Embracing the latest trends in study chair designs means are more than just comfort and functionality. It's about blending style and purpose. These chairs are not only offer ergonomic advantages but also enhance the overall aesthetics of your workspace, creating an environment conducive to productivity and creativity. Stay informed about these trends to ensure your study area remains both chic and practical. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.